There's a moment in every setup where things just click. Your voice is clear, your music sits just right. Your game, chat, and alerts all feel like they belong together. You stop thinking about audio and start creating. But getting to that moment has always taken too long. There's too many devices, too many apps, too many steps between plugging in and sounding great. We set out to shorten that distance, to build a system where great audio isn't something you chase, it's something you start with. Today, it all comes together. This is Wave Next, a new generation of audio tools for creators. Hardware, software, and control, all designed to work together as one system. It's 5 new devices, a rebuilt audio app, and a core technology that ties everything together. Let's start there. At the heart of every Wave Next device is the WaveFX processor, a dedicated chip that handles your entire audio signal on the hardware itself. It combines 3 technologies: ClipGuard 2.0, an unclippable architecture that prevents distortion at multiple stages, from analog input all the way through to digital output. No matter how loud you get, your audio just doesn't break. A built-in DSP running 5 real-time effects: low-cut filter, expander, voice tune, compressor, and EQ. All processed on the device with 0 latency monitoring and no CPU load. And finally, VST Insert, a dedicated low latency path that lets you run studio-grade VST plugins directly in the audio signal chain. No virtual microphones, no complex routing. Your effects are just part of your mic signal. WaveFX processor is the foundation. Now let's look at where it lives. Wave 3 Mark II is a next-generation USB condenser microphone. It starts with a high-performance capsule developed in partnership with LEWITT, capturing every detail of your voice with a focused cardioid pickup pattern. From there, your voice enters the WaveFX processor, ClipGuard 2.0, 5 DSP effects, and VST Insert, all running directly on the microphone itself. Your sound is shaped at the source before it even reaches your computer. It also features an upgraded headphone output, a multifunction control dial with a customizable LED ring, and an auto gain wizard that sets the right gain for you in just seconds. For most creators, this is everything you need to sound broadcast ready right out of the box. If you already own an XLR microphone, Wave XLR Mark II is a next-generation USB audio interface that brings the full WaveFX processor to any XLR mic. Also developed with LEWITT, it delivers up to 80 decibels of clean digital gain, enough to properly drive demanding broadcast microphones like the Shure SM7B without a cloud lifter or inline booster. It has the same DSP effects, the same VST insert, the same unclippable architecture, and the new on-device controls with a customizable RGB ring give you instant visual feedback, so you can see your mic level and clip guard protection at a glance. Plus, it has a powerful headphone amplifier that drives everything from in-ear monitors to 600 ohm studio headphones. XLR Dock MK.2 brings the same capability into a modular form factor that connects directly to Stream Deck Plus. It's the same signal path, the same WaveFX processor. Your XLR microphone is now fully integrated into your Stream Deck workflow, saving desk space and putting audio controls right where you already work. And then there's Wave XLR Pro. If every other Wave device is about simplifying great sound, Wave XLR Pro is about expanding what's possible. Dual XLR inputs, dual headphone outputs, dual USB for multi-device setups, 2 PCs or a PC and a console, line in and line out for flexible routing, bring in external audio or send audio where you need it, and a 5-mix, 12-channel hardware mixer that processes everything on board. Wave XLR Pro is built for dual PC streaming, console integration, podcasting with 2 hosts, and any setup where a single input isn't enough. It's controlled entirely through Wavelink 3.0, and with Stream Deck, you get tactile hands-on command over your entire signal chain. It's the most capable audio device we've ever built. Every Wave Next device is powered by Wavelink 3.0, our audio software rebuilt from the ground up. Wavelink 3.0 brings mixing, routing, and effects together in one place. Create up to 5 independent mixes. Route up to 8 channels and 4 wave devices into each. Apply VST effects directly to any input. Shape your microphone, music, or app audio individually. The routing table view lets you see and manage your entire audio setup at a glance, and the in-app marketplace makes discovering and installing new effects effortless. And for the first time, Wavelink 3.0 is completely free. even if you don't own Wave hardware, because we believe everyone deserves better audio tools. With Stream Deck, your audio setup becomes a tactile visual control surface. See real-time levels on your keys. Mute with a tap. Adjust volume with a turn. Toggle effects, switch outputs, manage mixes, all without touching your mouse. And with Stream Deck Plus XL, 36 keys, 6 dials, and an ultra-wide touch strip, you have the perfect companion for Wave XLR Pro. Wave Next is not just one product. It's our vision for what creator audio should be. And we built every piece of it to make it real. At the core is the Wave FX processor, delivering unclippable audio, real-time DSP, and VST insert across every device. Wave 3 Mark II for USB, Wave XLR Mark II and XLR Dock MK.2 for your favorite XLR microphone, and Wave XLR Pro for advanced workflows. Wavelink 3.0 brings it all together. Mixing, routing, and effects. And Stream Deck puts control at your fingertips. If you're just getting started, Wave Next gives you great sound without complexity. And if you're ready to go deeper, it gives you the control and headroom to grow. Simple when you want it, powerful when you need it. Every product has its own dedicated overview video if you want to go deeper. And starting today, we're going live daily with members of our team to break down the technology, the workflows, and everything in between. Dates, times, and links are all in the description. Thank you so much for joining us for the launch of Wave Next. We're incredibly proud of what we've built. We can't wait to hear what you think. We'll see you in the live streams.